lang kamag-anak. Iiwan sa kamag-anak. Iiwan sa tiyuhin. Ang asawa doon, ito namang tatay, you know how human frailty exists. Maghanap ng ibang babae, then yung iba pati yung... Because dito, if the mother disappears from the family home, the eldest daughter becomes the surrogate mother. Yan ang totoo. Kaya pag uwi dito, ganon ang mangyari. Ganon na lang ang hirap nila. And they have caused so much pain to. So give me a reason why I will not kill you. Kayong mga human rights, give me a good reason why I should